Hi, welcome back. The Wartburg's been getting a bit of work this now since the Peugeot's gone. You got the one in the garage, the one that was soaking wet and awful, and now we've got this one in bits. It's sort of escalated quickly. I had a dodgy connections here and there. This relay wasn't working here, and there's a couple of things in here. I've wired it for the front fogs, like taking it off the other car, so the front fog lights. And when I change the bumper over, no number plates on. Oil leak's cured. It was pouring out the bottom of the rocker gasket here, so I've cured that. The dodgy issue with the LED lights in the display for the fuel and temperature. Oh, and now the temperature one's not working. See, true to life. No, they're not working. And it turned out, I thought, to just be this dodgy connection here that feeds a fuse through to the dash. Now the temperature one was working a minute ago, so maybe I didn't cure it. However, it escalated slightly quicker with the entire dashboard out. The metal frame, move it over, it's up to scratch out. The metal dashboard part, got these two switches in I didn't like. I'm going to weld them holes up, and the vinyl was obviously cut because of it. This side, it's a little bit scruffy. Started to peel it off and soon realised you can't get it off because it goes down the back and it's all trapped. So I've ordered a new piece of vinyl for it. I'm going to clean that up and sort it out. The doors, the driver's door handle, you had to really force the button right inside the door for it to open, and it was a pain, so decided to sort that out. The little adjuster nut on the rod had come apart. Doing the same for the back door, just lubricating everything, grease everything, just make sure everything works, because the window was really stiff, and I thought, well, it's going to cause things to snap. And of course the lock button, which is the opposite way to normal, you could barely move it. Now it works fine, so you've got to remember when you shut it, down is unlocked, I think. Yeah, down is unlocked. But not a particularly long video at the moment. I might make this one into two. No, make this one from two. But now I managed to get a bit of work done on it. It's looking a little bit more likely to be on the road soon. Yeah. Apart from that side of things, there's a bit carnage in there. But everything's dead easy to get at. Mostly. Little things slightly awkward, but it's handy having another car to have a look at in case I break anything. I can try on the old one first. But that's all for now anyway. I might upload this, just a quick one, just an update, or leave it till I've got a bit more going on. But yeah, this thing's next. Bottom wishbone bushes, spring, various other bits and bats at the front. It's causing us a bit of issue. I want a coolant leak from the thermostat housing, which, if you know the diesel ones, is a complete pain. That one, driving alright, goes really well. Unfortunately, did a dyno day the other day, last weekend, and it sort of, the numbers didn't add up to anything like it was supposed to be for what work it's had done, so I had to look into that. That, still haven't touched it. 5500 past its MOT, major rebuild. Probably do a quick video on that just for content to show you what's what with things. This one, the boot, in the water leak of the boot's cured. That's was just a seal leaking round between it and then dropping out into the boot floor. So that's that virtually MOT'd. You can get it MOT'd, and then the daughter can learn to drive. But that's the state of the fleet at the moment. All the ones that really matter, this is the one I'm playing with. It's a bit more interesting. But it's not a bad evening. It's chucked it down a few times today, so I'm going to go inside and have a beer, I think. Catch you later. Cheers.